good afternoon. Today, I'm taking this opportunity to talk about Eugenix Hair Sciences for that wonderful, wonderful work they've done for my hair transplant. For the marvelous job that they've done on my head. I have had 11,000 grafts put into my head over 3 different sessions over 2 years with Eugenix Hair Sciences. So all in all, very happy, and now 3 months later, I'm waiting to see what happens. Very excited about my new hairline. It's been a fantastic journey for me. Dr. Pradeep says that I have had to be his hardest patient he's worked with, because I had already done it once before with in London, where I had, which was around 15 years back, and then I did my second one in South Africa, and finally a third one in India, which all were failures. But I got a lot of scars, battle scars to show for it. They were really terrible failures, and I'd pretty much given up. I seeing my hair fly in the wind earlier, never thought it would happen in this lifetime. But then I met Dr. Pradeep and Dr. Arika, who completely transformed me. Of my 11,000, nearly 8,000 of them are from my beard. And if you see my beard, 0 scars, because it's just amazing instruments that Eugenix uses, as well as a skill. So if you see the finer details that the doctors went into, you see how soft my hairline is, the indents in it. Each of those follicles are like one follicle that has gone into it to make it look natural. Like no one can tell that this has been a hair transplant job, because that's the kind of pain and detailing each goes. Because normally in a follicle, you have in a graft you have 1, 2 or 3 follicles. So but in the front you always have 1. So this is the detailing a doctor needs to go into, and that's what they went into to make it look that much natural. Then even on the temple side, interestingly, my bald came like this, and there's a straight line to my sideburns. So I never had a temple. So this has all been created, and just see how soft it is, and like pulled merge with my head. So each of these hair actually go backwards, which is supposed to be a temple, but if it goes wrong, you can get like Einstein kind of hair, which is like popping out. So this is like the detailing a doctor should know of which hair goes where and how it grows. Does it fall, or does it come out, or does it go from a side parting? These are like the finer instincts a doctor needs to have. So in my whole hair saga of 11,000 grafts, if there's one pain point I can pick on, it would have to be my crown. Because of my earlier procedures where I had my donor area had been so depleted, the doctors could not concentrate on giving me 11,000 thick hair mop in the front and at the back. So we made a choice, and we said, let's sacrifice the crown area a bit. Hence my crown is the only pain point that I can pick on. But hey, you have to see the glass half full and not half empty. So I am thrilled with my 3/4 full glass.